The art of the uncountable nouns and definite articles. Hello language explorers, and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we're delving deep into the fascinating world of articles, focusing especially on the definite article, the, and its usage with uncountable nouns. Are you ready to master this? Let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's recap what uncountable nouns are. They're nouns that you can't count because they're usually whole or mass concepts, ideas, or substances, like water, knowledge, or music. You cannot usually use a or n with these nouns, but you can use the. For example, please turn off the music. Not a music. I forgot to bring the water. Not an water. But when do we use the with uncountable nouns? Let's find out in the next section. In English, we use the with uncountable nouns when we're referring to something specific. This can be a specific instance or a particular example of the noun in context. For instance, consider this sentence. I love the coffee at this cafe. In this case, coffee is an uncountable noun, and we're using the because we're referring to a specific coffee, the one at this cafe. Let's look at another example. The information you provided is incorrect. Here, we use the with information, which is uncountable, because we're talking about specific information, the information that you provided. Remember, if we're talking about uncountable nouns in general, we usually do not use the. For example, information is power. Coffee can be addictive. One common mistake learners often make is using the with uncountable nouns when it's not necessary. Remember, we use the when we are referring to a specific instance of an uncountable noun. So, we wouldn't say, I love the music, if we're talking about music in general. Instead, we would simply say, I love music. And that's a wrap on our journey through using the with uncountable nouns. Remember, practice is key in mastering this concept. So, keep reading, writing, and speaking in English, and you'll soon find it comes naturally to you. Thank you for joining us on this English language adventure. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep enjoying the beauty of language.